Now, the strong thunderstorms continue across much of the region, specifically the bluegrass, though, getting hammered with the strongest as of right now. But we also see some pretty strong ones around the viewing area as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Max Track and pinpoint some of those areas. We'll start with those that are sitting in the Fayette County down through Madison County area. Some really heavy rain, some lightning strikes associated with a lot of this, but you can tell that there are some spots intermixed and may have some lighter rain, and then immediately behind that you'll get hit with another round of heavy rain. That goes all the way into portions of southern Clark County, getting out towards Powell, Montgomery, and then kind of a rain shield out a little bit further east of that. We'll take a look in a minute. Really strong thunderstorm going through Mercer County right now, just north of Harrodsburg. In fact, if you were in some of the surrounding communities, you may be getting that heavy rain at this point. Another strong thunderstorm going into Magoffin County at this point, kind of riding along the Mountain Parkway. Up into Morgan County, eventually into Rowan, Menifee, Fleming, Bath, and even a little bit of Elliott as well, getting into some of the lighter rain. And then you've got some in Lee, just north of Beattyville. That line continues to push back towards Washington, eventually out towards LaRue, Munfordville out there with some heavy rain right along the Interstate 65 corridor. And then just some smaller isolated pop-ups from Breathitt County through southern Jackson, Laurel County, north of Corbin, so just south of London, getting some heavy rain as well. And that stretches down towards Tennessee, or at least right around the state line. So you've got some really heavy rain dropping and causing some minor flood conditions. Southern Pendleton County getting into Bourbon, into Fayette, Clark, northern Madison, Jessamine, and then just a little sliver right there, kind of hitting southern Montgomery and Powell. And that's where the heaviest of the rain has been. So do watch for high water, some ponding on the roadways, streams and creeks rising pretty quickly with all of this rain that has been coming through. And look at with the heating of the day, how all of these storms have just been flaring up right around that center of low pressure. And the cold front stretches all the way down towards our southern states. Rainfall throughout the last 24 hours, anywhere between 1/4 of an inch and an inch plus. So it doesn't look like much, but whenever you're under one of these storms, you are getting a lot of heavy rain in a short amount of time. Now, eventually those storms go away. Overnight tonight, we lose the heating, we lose the storms. We'll get them back into tomorrow afternoon with a few isolated pop-ups getting into the afternoon, the evening, with the clouds building throughout the course of the day. So expect pretty similar conditions, just less rain throughout the day tomorrow, especially the coverage. As we get into the next few days, you'll notice that the rain icons go away, the storm chances go down, but with that comes back the chance for heat and humidity, and that will certainly be here throughout the weekend and into the beginning of next week as temperatures get from the mid-80s to the upper 80s in quite the hurry. Temperatures to 90 degrees by Tuesday. Angie?